So they're getting ready for the green light. The tires are spinning on the Camaro, but it's the ambulance that gets the jump. He's in a hurry and takes down that win. And away we go. Corvette with an advantage and will take down the win. We'll have the advantage here. Even start with the Chevelle banging the gears and just pulling it out over the Ford Mustang. Ford versus Chevy, ready to go. And once again, the Chevys are out. Pontiac Firebird. And down to the stripe, and it is. Hold on. 87 Chevy Monte Carlo versus the Ford Mustang. And Monte Carlo with the Mitsubishi all-wheel drive Eclipse. This car is quick. And he shows that last year he picked up the win in this event, going up against the Chevy Silverado. And waiting for the green, and Kenny's off like a rocket. And showing how tough he is going to be today and through the Spectator Drags. True double elimination style. If you get one round, regardless if you win or lose, you go to the second round. Okay. The ambulance versus the Camaro. Nice even start, and the ambulance is going to take that one again. Even start down, and the Mustang pulls one out for the blue oval. As Tim lines him up trackside. Ready to go. There's a green in the Camaro down the bottom with a hole shot. We'll pull that one down. Squatting all the way. Ready? There we go. And it is the Firebird taking that one down by a nose over the mud. Ready, set, go. Can he climb? Jack Cummins. And the Monte Carlo just hold shots that one. All right, here comes the Mustang. He may need the ambulance right after this one. If he gets beat by that orange and white Suburban. Wait for the green, there it is. And down to the stripe, and the Mustang puts the ambulance out of its misery. A bit too slow. Whoever was in the back didn't make it. All right, Firebird versus Camaro. Waiting, there's a green, down and to the stripe, and the Camaro will take it. Too much tire spin for that Firebird that time. Guess we can call this M&M. Once again, no match. What do you think, ladies and gentlemen? How many Ford fans we got here? How many Chevy fans? Not surprised. All right, here we go. There's a green, and here is the Camaro taking down the win. Mitsubishi, I understand, is giving him a couple of car lengths. Talk about bravado. There we go, and that sounded like Tom Brady at the beginning of the season. I'll give you 4 games at the beginning, and I'm taking down the Super Bowl, and that's exactly what did. How about a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for all our fans coming out and showing this. A lot of show and go in a lot of these cars. I want to thank everybody for joining us.